Hello and thank you for visiting Luscombe Motors website and watching this short video where I'm going to take you around the Skoda Karoq. This car is the 1.6 diesel, which is very economical. So coming around to the front of the vehicle, what we've got the LED lights, daytime running lights. Coming around to the side, we've got the beautiful 17-inch alloy wheels, which really does set the car out nicely. The alloy wheels are all in immaculate condition, as is the vehicle. I can't find a scratch on this car. It's absolutely in fantastic condition, with it being a one-owner car and very low mileage. Coming to the rear vehicle, we've got your parking sensors. Coming to the boot, this car has a very large boot, as you can see. Some storage compartments at either side. Show you in the back of the vehicle, plenty of space. You've got kids, grandkids. Also what you've got the pull down table on both seats. Okay, so in the driver's cockpit, what we've got electric windows all around and folding power folding mirrors. The seats are in absolutely fantastic condition. They are hug me seats, so they are add to that extra comfort. This car comes with Bluetooth, also comes with Apple iPlay with the vehicle. Very easy to use system, I've got one myself. Got the climate control down here with the auto stop start, and we've got the electric handbrake here. Coming on to the cockpit, this car comes with auto lights also, and a multifunctional steering wheel. The vehicle itself's only done 12,920 miles. Is it, like I say, superb condition. All our vehicles before leaving also come with a full service and MOT. Thank you ever so much for watching. Any more questions, don't hesitate to contact us. My name is Michael Pedroli. Thank you.